This week, week 5, we are discussing the diabetes assessment and diabetes mellitus in this journal. So, from the assessment, I am not at risk for diabetes. The different dimensions of wellness that are affected by diabetes, at least 3 of them are physical, environmental, and emotional. Physical is pretty obvious. The body is not responding well to the diabetes diagnosis. It is debilitating the person's body. It is not debilitating it. It's slowing it down. It is not allowing it to function the way it should, is the best way to put it. Environmental, the person's environment that they are living in is obviously not a healthy one for them to develop or inherit type 1 or type 2 diabetes. If it's a genetic, if it's due to genetics that the person develops diabetes, it's not as much environmental, but a large part of it is eating healthy and exercising, which is a large part of a person's environment. If you're in a healthy environment, you'll be eating healthy and exercising and staying hydrated and taking care of yourself. The emotional toll it takes is it can really hurt someone's self-esteem. Diabetes can lead to excessive weight gain or can be developed due to obesity. Typically, obese people are not going to have a strong sense of their body. They're not going to feel very confident. So that is how the emotional dimension of wellness is affected. Lifestyle habits that a person can practice to reduce a risk of type 2 diabetes would be exercise. Working out frequently is going to lower your blood pressure. It's going to help your body fend off diabetes and other diseases. Diet is similar effects, but is more important because of the glucose and insulin levels that are associated with diabetes type 1 and type 2. Staying hydrated is also very important for type 2 diabetes. It's very, very critical that a person stays hydrated if they are pre-diabetic and or have diabetes. All 3 of these lifestyle habits together will certainly reduce a person's risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Hydration, again, is very important, and diet is key in this. It's one of the biggest factors that someone can control in reducing their risk of type 2 diabetes. The nutrition, the vitamins, the minerals that come from the food helps the cells and the glucose and the functioning work at its prime and not get blocked up and continue to function properly. So that is it for week 5.